Dinner time, but first we grocery shop. Starting off with some turnips. So cute. Carrots. Oh. Oh my gosh. Garlic chives, green onion, serrano. I'm gonna grab this tomato, let it finish ripening up inside. The smell of fresh roses, so good. Some greens. Parsley. All right, so here's what we ended up grabbing. Okay, I decided I should grab a little bit of basil too. And I saw a couple more tomatoes. Okay, now I'm actually gonna go make dinner. Butter, miso paste, some of the chives and green onions and basil and some of the parsley and garlic and pepper. I'm gonna drizzle it over the carrots and the turnips. And then I might save a little bit for the steak too. I can't remember if I said I added the serrano in that sauce, but I did. And then I tossed this all together into the oven. I use this on the steak.